Not using bind variables in any Oracle database is very hard to justify. The reason is that not using bind variables more often than not causes Oracle to do more work when determining how to execute queries. Bind variables reduce parsing and execution costs when statements are executed more than once with different data values. If you're not using bind variables, Oracle must reparse and cache multiple statements. When using bind variables, Oracle database may be able to reuse the statement execution plan and context. When you are tuning your queries to make sure that they are using bind variables, often you need to set the temporary bind variables in the SQL Plus. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to set the bind variables within your SQL Plus instead of writing the PL SQL code. First, declare your variable like this. I'm just declaring my B1 variable with var and the type is varchar2 and the length is 100. And then assign this variable a value. Let's say it's a date variable. I'm converting this date to string and this string to date and then storing that in this B1 variable. And this colon specifies that this is a bind variable. And this is all you need to do. And you can do the similar things with numbers, strings, and other data formats. If you want to print that variable out, all you need to do is this print b1, and there you go. You have your value. Now, as long as your session is there, this the value of this bind variable will hold, and as soon as you disconnect your session, the value will be gone. But if you are trying to tune your SQL queries or trying to play around with bind variables in your SQL Plus sessions, this is the quickest way. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.